Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. I also think that you are utilizing your time and you are following the rules of health. Anyway, dear students, at first I like to introduce myself. This is Mohammad Sadat Hussain, lecturer in English, Chandina Radwan Ahmed University College, Chandina, কুমিল্লা। অভিভাবকদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমি কিছু বলতে চাই। আশা করি অভিভাবক আপনারাও ভালো আছেন। আপনারা আপনার ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে আমাদের অনলাইন ক্লাসগুলো দেখতে সাহায্য করবেন, প্রয়োজনে প্রযুক্তিগত সহায়তাও করবেন। ওরা যেন সময়টা কাজে লাগায়, ওরা যেন রুটিন মাফিক, স্টুডেন্টরা যেন রুটিন মাফিক জীবনযাপন করে সকাল সকাল ঘুম থেকে উঠে অধিক রাত না জাগে, এবং অধিক রাত জাগলে কী করছে সেটা খেয়াল করবেন। ওরা কি মোবাইল ইউজ করছে, না টিভি দেখছে, না পড়ার রুমে পড়ছে। আবার আপনার ছেলেমেয়েরা কার সাথে মিশছে সেটাও খেয়াল করতে হবে। পড়তে গেলে কতক্ষণের জন্য যাচ্ছে, কখন ফিরছে, পড়ছে কিনা, সেই বিষয়গুলো আপনারা নিশ্চিত করবেন, আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ রাখবেন। তো এনিওয়ে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, আজকে আমি তোমাদের সাথে একটা টপিক শেয়ার করব। দ্য নেম অফ দ্য টপিক ইজ স্পেশাল ইউজ অফ ওয়ার্ডস অ্যান্ড ফ্রেজ। তো এট ফার্স্ট আই লাইক টু শেয়ার উইথ ইউ হোয়াট দ্য ওয়ার্ড ফ্রেজ ইজ। Phrase is a group of words that has no subject and no final part, but it functions like a single part of speech. Dear students, for your easy and better understanding, I like to share the words and phrase in several steps. Steps 1. Step 1. In step 1, I like to share with some modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs. At first, have to, has to. Here it should be mentioned that there are several or many more modal auxiliary verbs in English, but I only like to focus those modal auxiliary verbs which appear in the question paper. Have to, has to, have to and has to. These are two modal verbs, but these bear the same meaning. These mean must. I mean, have to, has to means obligation. We all use have to or has to mean some obligation, and we also use have to give some advice and suggestion to someone. Here I am giving an example. You are seriously ill. You are seriously ill, so you consult a doctor. You are seriously ill, so you have to consult a doctor. You know that have to, has to vary for person. We cannot use has to after you take have to. So in the gap we need to use have to. And another thing is that after modal verb there will be a verb, and the verb must be base form. So when you will see there is a verb after the gap, so you should pick a modal verb in the box. Next, had to. Perhaps you know that had to is the past form of have to and has to. In present tense we use have to and has to, and on the other hand in past tense we use had to. For example, you are delaying, you have to get ready earlier. As it's past tense, so you should use had to. Next, another modal verb. You know that would rather is a modal verb. It would rather is used to prefer a word than or from another one. If there are two options, we should choose one option, and in this case, we should use would rather. I am just giving an example, and before example, I am giving you a clue. Dear students, you should remember the clue. Then is mostly used after would rather. For example, now follow. There is a verb and it is a modal. There is a verb and it is remaining base form, and there is a clue word. Then, if we can see the use of then after the cap, so in this case we can use would rather. And now I am showing you another modal verb like used to. Used to indicate past habit of someone. Used to indicate past habit. And it's used to is semi-modal verb. You should mind it. Used to is a semi-modal verb. Arif does not smoke now. Previously, he Arif does not smoke now. Previously, he used to smoke. You should mind it that it's indicating past habit. He is not a smoker now, but previously he used to smoke. Previously he regular smoked. Now I am showing you another modal verb, and it is need. You know that, perhaps you know that need is also a modal verb and it is also a main verb, so it is called semi-modal verb. Need means require. Need means require, clue word. Clue not is often used after need. Now, just let us have an example. It is hot, there is a clue word, you can see, you need not wear warm clothes. So, need often, or not often followed by need. You need not wear warm clothes. Let's have another modal verb. There. It is also a semi-modal verb. It can be used as main verb and it can also be used as a modal verb. We know that there means just to show boldness. Show boldness. There. Yes, student, you can see that how they are you look daggers at me, but one thing should be borne in mind that here after the word there is no verb. How they are, I mean, the line indicates that you are very courageous, you are very daring to look daggers at me. I can show you another example. They dare to face a tiger. You know that? Past form there is dared. They dare to face a tiger. Yes, student, can you say whether it is main verb or modal auxiliary verb here? Actually, it is a main verb. So there is a to. But if the verb there is used as a modal auxiliary verb, there will be no to. So they dare to face a tiger. Dear student, today I have shown you the step 1 of using special use of words and phrase. All the in step 1 I have included all the modal verbs usually used in the item. Now I like to show you how the question will be. How is the question pattern? Yeah, it's question number 3. I should already share with you the question. The item is in question number 3 in English paper 2, and the item contains or bears 5 verbs. Just the question will be said in this way. Complete the verbs. Complete the sentences. Using words or phrase in the list, and there will be list they are would rather used to. In this way, there are some words or phrase will be given in the box, and there are 10 sentences. Dear student, as you can see, now you are very hungry. You dash take some food. Can you guess which word or phrase will be used in the gap to complete the sentence meaningfully? Yes, you can catch the word. Have to. So, dear student, in this way, you should pick or choose a word or phrase from the box and then write answer. But now I shall share with you how to answer in the exam. You did not write all the sentence, you should just write A, B, C, D, E in this way, and you should not copy the whole sentence, you should just write the answer have to. Dear student, today I have shared with you special use of some words and phrase. The item includes English second paper, and it is question number 3, and the marks of the question is 5. And I have shared only one step of the question of the item. In my next class, I will show you the other steps of this item. I think you have enjoyed my class. I am also feel happy because I have taken a class before you online. So dear student, I am again requesting you to watch our online classes, to enjoy our online classes, and not to waste time. Utilize your time, because your time is getting very fast, and so that as the time passes, your exam is drawing near. So dear student, now I would like to take part from you. Thank you very much.